Hello, this is about clipboard managers in Windows 7. This is a review of various software packages that I've actually downloaded or attempted to download in Windows 7 and that I may have previously used in XP. The first one is M8 Free Clipboard. Well, first of all, when you download it now with Windows 7, it's not free. It keeps on coming up with these requests for $10 and or a better version. Mind you, it's not bad. It can't clip pictures and it's pretty good, but it's starting to be bothersome because it says it's free. Even in download.com says it's free, but it really isn't. It's a big pain in the ass. This is followed by another program called Brief Clips 3.11, which has some great videos on YouTube, but when you try to download it to Windows 7, it continually comes up with an error. Now, I did a snippet on the error and sent it to the owners, but I got no reply, so I can't even download this to Windows 7. The next one is called ArsClip, ArsClip. It has a lot of good features, but once in a while the remove or delete feature seems to go away and you have no idea why. Also, you gotta continually strike Shift-Control-Z to bring it up one at a time. Now, that's tiresome all the time. I'd rather it stay on the screen somewhere where I could pull off several clips in a row. It does have a mode called Form Mode, but even that isn't quite so practical. It's not bad. Again, I didn't like the fact that this remove feature seemed not to work, seemed to disappear. But hey, it's not bad. It's a zip file. Finally, there's this next one called ClipX. Well, ClipX is very clever too. The thing is that the owners are disappeared as far as trying to contact them with any questions or whatever. And when you try to paste in pictures and text, it seems as if that doesn't work. So you have to try 3-4 times, and finally you might get the picture to come into the document that you're trying to clip the picture into. So it's unreliable, but it's very clever too. Maybe if you don't use pictures, I'd say that's pretty good. Just as I'd say ArsClip is good too, except for the remove feature. Now there's another package called Copy Paste Extender, and it doesn't handle anything but text, and you don't save the clips. In other words, every time you start the computer, this extender guy is empty. So you got to start all over with your clips. These other guys like ClipX and ArsClip and M8 Free Clipboard, which is not free, do hold on to the clips from startup to startup. So, but for Copy Paste Extender, not a very good long-term thing to use. And then, in fact, they tell you to go look at this Brief Clips, which sounds good, but again, I couldn't get it to download. Finally, there's another package called ClipMagic. ClipMagic is really clever, lots of stuff to it. But again, it's not reliable. Sometimes I type in text. For example, you can add text to a clip, and then I'd find that the text wasn't there in the next startup. Other things to it seems as if you clip and there'd be this thing called broken clip chain. In other words, somehow it wouldn't be clipping really when it was doing a Control-C. So that also kind of was so clever but not reliable. The last one I've worked with was pastecopy.net, written by some guy in Sweden or Norway. It's real new on download.com, and it's pretty good. It's also got a portable version. I guess you can load onto a zip or a flash drive, and it stays on the screen, and it does a real good job with pictures and text, and you can pull off and put on multiple text and pictures into a document. It stays on the screen until you tell it to go away. Now, you know, this is all based upon my own choices and preferences. So maybe the things that you want are different than the things I want. Now, at the bottom here, I have my name, my email address, tomcroto@tomcroto.com. I'd be happy to converse with you on the topic because I'm kind of a student of this issue. So, okay, thanks a lot for listening. Goodbye.